In this video, we are going to be introducing a powerful and truly revolutionary feature included with GP Reports Viewer called Mass Email. GP Reports Viewer is an add-on software solution for Microsoft Dynamics GP that allows you to quickly and easily manage, secure, and launch all of your custom Crystal, SSRS, and Excel reports right from inside Dynamics GP. Have you ever wanted to mass email data directly from Dynamics GP? In the same way that you might send statements to all of your customers where each statement has only that customer's details, you can now send data to any group of people that you want, all from within Dynamics GP. For example, what if you wanted to send all of your vendors a weekly summary of all their open purchase orders? Or all of your salespeople a monthly summary of their sales or commissions? The mass email setup is highly customizable and provides for a variety of scenarios, so the possibilities are endless. Let's walk through just one example of what you can do with the mass email feature in GP Reports Viewer. Here we have a Crystal report set up that shows sales by customer for a particular salesperson and date range. From the main GP Reports Viewer window, we could run this report for just one salesperson at a time if we wanted to. We can also email and print this report, again for one salesperson at a time. If we have just a few salespeople, this can easily be done. However, what if we have 25 salespeople, or even more? The mass email feature will email this report to each salesperson, showing their respective customer sales, all with just a few clicks. By clicking on the Mass Email button, we will open the Mass Email window. At the top of this window, we see our date range values that were selected on the previous window, and a star located next to the salesperson ID here, indicating that this parameter will be fed from the scrolling list at the bottom of this window. You can see that we have 8 salespeople who have customer sales within this date range, and their email addresses are also listed here. If we expand the scrolling list, you can see that some salespeople also have CC and BCC email addresses set up. One extremely helpful feature that can be used for testing is the Test Send Email button here. Clicking on this button will bring up a pop-up that allows us to bypass the real email addresses that are shown in the scrolling list and instead send all of the emails to whatever addresses you specify here. For this demo, we are just going to enter in a single email address and click on the Test Send button. Here we can see that 8 emails were sent to our test email address, 1 email for each salesperson in the list. If we open up the first email, we can see the report for salesperson ID Aaron J. And here is another email for salesperson ID Francine B. Now that we've performed an initial test and everything looks good to go, at any point we can go ahead and click on the Send Email button back on the main Mass Email window. As I mentioned earlier, the setup is very flexible and there are many different scenarios that can be accomplished with the Mass Email feature. Use it for anything inside Dynamics GP: employees, salespeople, customers, vendors, and more. Now that we've seen Mass Email in action, let's look a little bit behind the scenes at some of the setup that makes all of this work. Here is the main report maintenance window for our customer sales by salesperson report. Clicking on the Mass Email Setup button brings up the window with all the setup options. This is a one-time step that a system administrator would perform. As you can see, there are several choices here. Some of them are optional, and the setup will depend greatly on what you would like to send via Mass Email. In this video, we have demonstrated the powerful and truly revolutionary Mass Email feature included with GP Reports Viewer. To learn more, please visit our website, where you can view other demo videos, obtain product information, and download a trial version of GP Reports Viewer. The trial version is fully functional with the GP Sample Company, or you can contact us for test registration keys if you would like to try GP Reports Viewer with your own Dynamics GP company. If you have any questions about GP Reports Viewer or would like to see a demo and discuss your reporting needs in more detail, please contact us.